So today is the start of Project Water Fountain, which is very exciting. So now you can see that there's a new plastic tub under the original one. What we're going to do is shim that bottom to make it level, and you can do that with paving sand or gravel or a flat rock, but you need to make sure that base is level or your fountain's going to wind up wonky and your water's not going to flow properly. So you've got the base that the pot is going to ultimately sit in, and he's going to put plantings around that. And then you can see he's going to put these retaining stones around the actual bottom pot to make it pretty. So we're going to start from there, and we'll get back to you with this process as we go along. So stay tuned. Have a great day.